everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, and for those of you who are new to my channel, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and taking your time to watch my video. So I have been gone for about a month now, and the reason for that is I decided to focus doing videos for my Instagram and just basically test it out. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I'll make sure to link my link down below. I've been doing a mini tutorials for makeup in here on my Instagram, so that's why I took some time off from my YouTube, but I am back now and I'm so excited. I have few videos lined up for you guys. So in this video, I want to share with you guys this month April beauty box from Vegan Cat. They so kind to send me their beauty box for this month, and also to share with you guys amazing news that I'm finally one of the Vegan Cat's ambassadors. So I'll make sure to link down below if you're interested to know more about Vegan Cats, and also what does that mean as a Vegan Cats ambassador. I'll be able to have access with their promotions, so and deals that they're gonna have, so I'll be able to share with you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's inside of this month beauty box. So when you open this box, this is how it looks like, and this month theme is all about lavender dreams, beauty picks to enrich your body and spirit, which is really nice because I'm all about holistic lifestyle and beauty, that it's not about just how you look but also how you feel inside. So I truly love the theme for this month. So the first thing that I see here is this big Yes 2 Carrots nutrition boosting facial wipes. So I've actually seen some of my influencer friends who are actually been using this. So I'm really excited to try this out. So let's look at a little bit of information about this product. This is the Yes to Wipe Away Dirt and Makeup with Vitamin Enriched Kale Facial Wipes for nourished, healthy skin. So, and the value is $6. I don't think I have seen any beauty products that their main ingredient is kale. So I love kales, especially on my smoothies and for salads. So I'm absolutely so excited to try this out. So the next product in here is this. So another thing, like what I mentioned before, probably and mostly on all my Vegan Cats video, is how they package your products, because I've heard horror stories about subscription bags and how sometimes your product and your palettes can get broken. But so far, the Vegan Cat has the best packaging that I've ever experienced in terms of subscription boxes. So yeah. So this one is their Scented by Nature Mr. Beast Necessities Lavender, which is a facial mist and toner. So refreshing facial mist. So this is a facial mist and toner blended with lavender essential oil, which is really amazing because it's springtime and summer is coming. And during summer, you basically want to wear less makeup as much as possible and making sure that your skin is hydrated. So this is absolutely amazing to have, and just the fact that the main ingredient is lavender oil is like amazing. So this has a value of $17. This is how the mist look like. Let's try this one. Ooh, that smells amazing. So the next products in here is one of the products that I'm so excited the most, which is this Derma E Microdermabrasion scrubs. I've tried a few products from them. My favorite is their rosehip facial oil, so I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm actually on the hunt for a really good facial scrub. So, and I also heard great things about this facial scrub from Derma E, which is the Microdermabrasion scrub. So a little bit information about the product. It's a fine textured crystal blended micro scrub that fops away dullness and smooth the look of fine lines and roughness for a healthy radiance skin. So, and this has a value of $8. So this is how it looked like. So this is their deluxe product. Let's open this. Ooh, so that's how it looks like. So the next product in here is this Orgala Mix Enlighten Luminizer. Oh, I never heard this brand before. So this is the cream highlighter in a breathtaking pink tint that will leave you glowing with a dewy finish, which is $18 value. Ooh, this looks interesting. That's how it looks like. See if I can actually swatch it. So it's really good. It's just giving you that glow that you need, which is perfect for spring and summer. There's no smell. So the next one here is this Hibiscus flavor lip moisturizer. Okay, so Crazy Rumors, so that's the brand name. It's the gorgeous, shimmery, light, pearlescent pink lip color with hibiscus flavor, and this is $5. Ooh. Oh, it's still close, but this is how it looks like. I have lipstick on already, but I just want to see how it feels. The flavor is berry, which is one of my favorite scents or flavor in lip glosses and lip balm. So I really like this. Okay, and then the last product in here is this cute little pouch here. And let's open this. Ooh, and this comes with this one. So this comes with, it's a shampoo and it's a little thing here. I don't know exactly what is this, but I have to read through it more. So the brand is called, so this is how it looked like. So the brand is called 3-2-Tab Lavender Scented Gentle Shampoo made from wild soap berries for sensitive skin, dry scalp, and damaged hair. And put the sun-dried soap berries in boiling water for 10 minutes. Cool the berries. So, okay, so it's a shampoo, but you can also use it as a face wash and hand soap as well. Okay, and they also give me a coupon code. This is very interesting. I think this is dried soap berries from Taiwan, which is I never seen before. So I'm absolutely gonna read more about this brand. So that's basically all the products that came into this month's Vegan Cats Beauty box. So I want to say thank you again to Vegan Cats for sending me this box to experience and to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this video helps you if you're thinking of getting Vegan Cats beauty bags. It's absolutely worth it. I absolutely see products that I have never seen on my local beauty and makeup stores, and it's something that I really enjoy because most of the products are full size and deluxe size, which would absolutely last me for so long, and it's just a good way to experience or test out the products without actually fully committing to a full size, because you know, you can test it out and decide if it's something that you're interested in. That's why I really appreciate this type of subscription boxes. And also it's all vegan and natural products, so, and it's something that I truly believe in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.